Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an Amazon must-have video for home goods. So continue watching to see some of my favorite Amazon products for my house. Thank y'all so much for watching my apartment tour that I posted last week. If you haven't seen it, go watch it after this video, but don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's get into it. First thing first, I got this. It is a Aeon clip-on strainer. Like, honestly, this video is a bunch of stuff that you probably didn't know that you needed, but that you need. Like, you need a strainer. I haven't had a strainer in so long, to the point where, like, I was just finding anything to strain stuff, and it wasn't good. But this is a strainer, and it literally just covers halves of whatever you're cooking with, and you just you clip it on the side of your pot and it pours out. I'll do like a little demonstration and put it on the video, but everything will be linked down below. This is in black, but I'm pretty sure it comes in like a lot of different colors. That is these 5-pack LED push lights. So you know how you'll be walking around your house at night and the lights aren't on, and you don't want to keep the lights on, and you gotta go to the bathroom and it be pitch black and you can't find the light, so like you fall and you like hit your toe. Let me know if that happens to you, or maybe it's just me. So I got these lights to go under. It can go under like your kitchen or something, your kitchen light. But usually, sometimes your microwave might have a light. But just to put it in different places, so when you're moving around at night, you won't fall. And it does need batteries in the back, but it's lights, and you can just like attach it to your stuff. I'm pretty sure this is magnetic. Okay, next thing I got is this Aurora Black & Decker iron. This, I think you would just know that you need an iron. But yeah, I just need an iron. Like, I don't know, just like some people really don't have irons, but I think irons are very important. So I got me an iron. It's pretty big too. And I feel like Amazon's irons are always cheaper than like Target or something like that. And they're always pretty good ones too. But yeah, this is my iron. The next thing that I got an invisible cutting board, and this you can like hang over your countertop, and it's invisible, and it's so cute to me. I think like an invisible one is just so like, it really gives into that minimalistic aesthetic. And then plus when you're cutting like fruits or like strawberries, you can see like the juices just all over the thing. I don't know, that's just cool to me. The next things that I got are these 4 containers for like your bathroom to put like cotton pads and stuff in them. They're pretty clear, so again, that minimalistic look, clear. 2 small ones and then 2 big ones, so you have 2 of these sizes and 2 of these sizes. And they also come with labels and stuff. I don't think I'm gonna put the labels on them, but they say cotton pads, cotton swabs, cotton balls, and cotton and floss picks. So that's kind of the stuff that you put in here for like your bathroom and stuff. But these are so cute. Next thing that I got is this hardwood displayer. So you can put different stuff on here. So this is gonna go in my bathroom. I can put like these on there if I wanted to, or I can put like my hand soap dispenser on there. So like put that on top of there as like a little decoration piece. Again, everything will be linked down below in my description. The next thing I got is a cookbook. I was not playing in my last video. I asked y'all what's a good cookbook because I lost the one that my best friend gave me from her mom. I don't know where it went, but so I got this cookbook. It's called Northern Soul. It was on Amazon by Justin Sutherland, and it just has a lot of southern inspired food, home cooking from a northern kitchen. But it has spices, sauces, rubs, pickled things, appetizers, sides, soups and salads, sandwiches, mains, cocktails, and desserts. So I'm probably gonna make a few TikToks of me like trying different recipes in here. And to go along with my cookbook, I got this stand to put my cookbook on. So if I want to put it on my kitchen table, it'll just stand on here, and then I can open it up and be reading out of it when I'm cooking. So this is just something cute. So yeah, real cute, real cute. I'm gonna put this on my kitchen table or my kitchen island or something like that. And another home good essential, an ironing board. I did not have an ironing board for so long, and I used to just be like put in what is it called? I put like a towel over like a hard surface, and that works too. But like an ironing board is just so much easier. So I got me an ironing board on Amazon. It's just black and white, real simple, real cute. Get you an ironing board. It makes things so much easier. Whenever I went home, I was like, oh my gosh, us having an ironing board was just so much more helpful than me doing it on the little towel. It's too much. It's too much. I need some Tupperware, but like it's see-through and clear, so it's real cutesy. It comes with 3 of them in here. So this is my Tupperware, and I guess it only comes with 1 top. What is this? Layers, and you put it on top of each other. It's supposed to be for meatball fridge box meat cuts. It's a little tricky. But okay, I guess you cut up your meat slices and you can put it in here, but you can also put like Tupperware type foods in here as well. Because I thought it would come with more containers, but yeah, so this is what that is. Another thing I like to keep my clothes fresh and pressed is a steamer. If you don't like irons, get you a steamer. Personally, I think steamers are more so for garments that are like silk or easier to get pressed out, because cotton is not gonna work as good on a steamer. But this is the steamer. It's from, what's the brand? It's from Amazon. Everything's from Amazon, but this is a High Life brand. This is also another thing. You have to use purified water for a steamer. I did not know this, but now I know, and I poured that water out too quick. But yeah, this is the steamer, and it's so cute because it's pink, but I'm pretty sure it comes in different colors. So get you a steamer. Okay, this is something else that y'all gonna be like, girl, you do not need this. But yes, I do need it. Well, I don't need it, but I want it. So this is an egg organizer. It's basically like an egg cart, but it's clear, it's see-through. And you put it in the refrigerator, and it's gonna store your eggs. And yeah, it looks so cute. I don't even know where I'm going to fit this in my refrigerator because I already have so many things in my refrigerator, but this is what this is. Y'all, look at how big this toaster is. This is the Elite Gourmet. The Elite Gourmet. It is the Elite Gourmet toaster. Like, when I tell you I could probably fit 4 pieces of bread, pieces of toast in here at once. Now this is crazy. I don't even think I knew it was this big. But this is huge. This is huge. You can defrost, and it goes up to 6 to the temperature. This is a patio covering, so when it rains, so my patio furniture doesn't get wet, and my furniture doesn't get messed up or blows away, you can cover this and like cover the whole patio. And it comes with a belt and everything, so you can latch it to something so it does not fly away. So yeah, it's pretty big too. So I'll have this link down below as well. You can adjust it to make it even bigger. It has like this material that I'm pretty sure will not seep through any of the water or anything like that. So yeah, good investments, good purchases, good purchases. And this is something else for my patio. It's green, like grass to go over my patio railing. I'm not gonna open this because like it might get everywhere, and plus like it's really big, like it covers a lot. But I'll insert a picture, or you can just see it on my Amazon store. Like, I'll have it all linked down below. But yeah, so this is green grass to decorate outside. Ooh. Okay, y'all. If I could only have one kitchen appliance, it would be an air fryer. Like, air fryers are the best things ever invented for a kitchen. I love a good air fryer, but I was hearing some things about air fryers and it having some type of being bad for your food or some type of bacteria, something. It was something about air fryers that kind of alarmed me on TikTok, and I'm like, I cannot stop using an air fryer. Like, air fryer saved my life. But I heard that glass ones are a little bit better for you, so I got me a glass air fryer. I'll kind of try to insert the TikTok that they were talking about how air fryers are bad for you. I'll insert it into the video so like I'm not spreading misinformation. But who knows, they could be spreading misinformation. But
the most important thing you hear all day. I had no idea how many harmful chemicals were on the non-stick surface of the inside of my air fryer. And every single time I use my air fryer, it leaches into my food and then it goes right into my body. So this is going in the trash because I finally found a glass air fryer. Yes, glass.
But anyway, I couldn't take no chances, so I just got me a glass one. So this is a glass air fryer. It works the same way. It's just glass instead of whatever material that was in the other ones. But yeah, it's still pretty big and it does the same things. It's a CWC air fryer. You can grill fish, sweet potatoes, steak, shrimp, cake. You can make cake in here. Y'all, you can do egg tarts, fries, chicken wings. Man, these air fryers, you won't even have you won't need stoves in a minute. These air fryers aren't playing. I have another kitchen appliance. Like, my kitchen appliances is no joke. Like, these is real deals. This is the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 blender and food processor. So it comes with the blender, period, right here. It comes with the blender, it comes with the container for the smoothie, and it comes with the food processor to chop up the food. You can chop up different, they got a pasta here? No, this is cheese. You can chop up cheese, you can chop up vegetables, you can chop up anything you want to chop up. You can make a Hazer puree, a picarsicle, a halal, and a rabanar, and a picar humidor. I would never make none of those things, but if I wanted to, I could. That's the point. If I wanted to, I could. But I'm gonna take out everything so y'all can see it. Give me a second. Okay, y'all. This is the blender. It is very hefty, very big. It can fit up to 40 ounces and 5 cups. You can do milkshakes, purees, smoothie, icy drinks, slice, easy clean, dice, chop, salsa, grind, crush, ice, grate. Ooh. You can do it all in this blender right here. The food processor, I guess you put the food in there. I've never used the food processor, but I'm pretty sure I will. This is the cup, it's cute. You can do up to 20 ounces in here and 600 milliliters. And the last item I want to tell y'all about is this vacuum, this roll-out vacuum. I think it's a mop too. And basically, I have not hooked it up yet, but you can turn it on and it'll do and clean whatever it needs to be cleaned. And the back has like all the different things to vacuum, to mop, sweep. And yeah, it doesn't have no handles and it can do it on its own, so you don't have to do it. But I will link this down below. I have not used it yet. I also still have like a regular broom and vacuum. No, I have a regular broom, but I haven't vacuumed because I haven't like worked this yet. But I got this from Amazon. That concludes today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I also want to give a big shout out and thank you to my family. Thank you to my family as well who gifted me these items and contributed to my housewarming. Y'all are amazing and I love y'all so much for continuously supporting me. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, comment, and subscribe. If you want to check out any of the items below, my storefront is below. If you order anything for my storefront, use my link, please. And yeah, I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching. Bye.